This is a 2011 Ford Fusion. Features include 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a 6-speaker audio system, a 4-wheel independent suspension, dusk-sensing headlights, side curtain airbags, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 29 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Sheehy Ford of Warrenton is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6443 Lee Highway in Warrenton.